Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how to make an LED glow in the dark unicorn. Materials needed are glitter cardstock, scissors, pencil, cardboard, LED string lights, and a punching machine. Next, reverse the cardstock and draw the image you want. I have drawn a silhouette of a unicorn. Next, we are cutting strips of cardboard and separating the cardboard paper from it because we are going to make it 3D and we want the cardboard not to be stiff but to curve around the drawing. Now if we use the cardboard, it goes exactly along the line which we have drawn. Now I am cutting the cardstock. Now we'll mark the holes using punching machine in order to place the LED lights. Mark the holes keeping in mind that we have to place the cardboard around the edge. Now we'll stick the cardboard along the edges. After you stick one piece, hold it in place before you go to the other piece. Once this is done, now we'll use the LED lights and place it such that each bulb of the string is exactly overlapping the punched hole. In case you are planning to paint the cardboard, you can do it now. Remember to keep the ribbed side inside. As you can see, I am twisting the wires such that I am able to place it the way I want. Once this is done, place the battery inside and seal it. So when it's switched on, it will look like this.